Okay, so to get into your week one assignment, we had a question on this. You're going to go to your module one, scroll down to week one assignment, creating your SMART goals. Be sure that you read the week one lecture and read about the SMART goals, the definitions and examples. There's another section here to read on the goals of reaching the odds of reaching your goal. Your grading rubric is here, and you always want to check the model assignments because this shows you what it should look like once you are finished. There's a little video here for you to watch. It's very short, it's 5 minutes, to help you further understand goal setting. And then it asks you to reflect about your goal before you write. And then when you begin writing, what you're going to need to do is next to the SMART goals, you'll see this little arrow that represents a download. So if you click this button, it will pop up. And I've already done that, so it's going to pop this up. And then once you get this, you cannot just type on it. You need to actually save as. And you can save it like this. I'm just going to get rid of the 5. That just means 5 copies. Where are you going to save it to? So I'm going to change mine to the desktop so I can easily find it. And now that you've saved it, you can begin typing here. So it says type your name. So you would just type that in there. And then you're going to go through the whole worksheet filling this out. And before you finish, you're going to want to go back to File, and this time you're just going to save the file. Now once you've done that, you'll be able to upload into the assignment link. I hope this has helped.